In this demonstration, I will show you how to update payroll accruals for an employee in time cards. In my example, I have recently created a vacation accrual code based on hours per frequency and need to add the accrual code to an employee as well as add an accrual balance. My first step is to add the new accrual code to the employee. So on their payroll panel, in the Pay tab, I am going to insert the new vacation code and save. Next, I'll review the Employee's Activity tab under the Accruals. My new code, Vacation Hours, is on the panel with no hours accrued and no hours remaining. I would like to add 40 hours to this employee's balance. I can do this through transaction history or through time cards. For this demonstration, I'll show you the time card method. So here I am in time cards. I have just keyed in the accrual code VACHRS. I'm here under type. Now, if I wanted to pay the accrual to the employee, I would use payment. However, I want to actually add the accrual hours and not pay the employee. So by typing A on the keyboard, I've changed the type to accrual. So next I want to add in the hours that I want to add to the employee. In my example, I'd like to add 40 hours, and since I'm doing this on a regular payroll cycle, I also need to include the hours he would have accrued for this payroll. So I'm going to include the extra 4.62. My total accrued hours for the payroll is 44.62. If you were running this off cycle and not part of the payroll process, you could run just the accrual code with the hours that you need to accrue, zero out any other earning codes that might process during the calculation, as well as any deduction codes, and then you could post this through that way as well. Also, if you want to reduce an employee's accrual balance, you could indicate that here with a negative value. So if I wanted to reduce the employee's balance by 40 hours, I could do a negative 40 and process it this way. And what that'll do is once it's posted, the employee will have a reduction in their accrual hours by 40. I have calculated the payroll and have the pre-check register open for the employee to verify my changes took place. So here you can see on the pre-check register, following taxes are the accrual codes. So you can see vacation hours here. There is $0 paid, and then under hours, there is 44.62 hours added to the employee. So now I am at printing the paycheck, and here is the employee's wage statement. I can see here that the employee has, for the vacation code, 44.62 hours currently accrued, and 44.62 hours for their balance. So I have posted the check and I've returned to the Employee Activity screen in Payroll and then Accruals tab. And here under the Vacation Hours accrual code, I now see he's got an hours or amount accrued of 44.62 as well as hours and amount remaining of 44.62.